Hey, what's up everybody? This is Cody with Old Iron Garage, and today is Tech Tip Tuesday, where we take a few short minutes of your time each week on Tuesdays and give you a little bit of insight that is going to help you with a specific task on helping restore your classic car or truck. What we're going to discuss today is tack welding. So, if you are working in your shop on your car or truck, and at any point in time you do this enough, you're going to come across having to weld. Today's trick is tack welding pieces together. Whether you are replacing sheet metal from bad rusted areas, or you're building a custom bumper or custom rock sliders, an overhead roof rack, doesn't matter, same rule applies. And that is, when you go to fit pieces up, only tack them together to start off. What we're showcasing today is a Jeep Liberty bumper that we're building right now. This is for an early 2000s Jeep. We're in the early stages of product design and test fitment. This is what we're working on. We have the main pieces. You know, we got the sides, the middle, ends, you got your toe points. Right now we have a few more pieces to put on. Before we do any of that and finish weld it, we have to make sure it all fits together. Every time you go to fit any kind of sheet metal, a replacement rocker into your car or truck, or you're building a bumper like this, you shouldn't weld it all up to start off with. What you need to do is fit it all together, tack weld it together, and continue measuring to make sure it all fits. You don't want pieces to warp out of the way. You want to make sure it all fits, and if you do mess up, which is going to happen, you need to make sure that you can take it off easily. So in this case, we have this middle piece welded to this part, which is actually also the frame bracket. And so to make sure it all fits, you know, we have a lot of angles going on here that are formed from a press brake, and sometimes the press brake might be a little bit off. So we need to make sure it all fits together. This is eventually going to get fully welded here, here, all the way down this, all the way in here, and all the way up to seal it all in. But before we do that, you need to make sure it fits. So you put a tack weld here, put a tack weld right there, another one here, and another one right here. So it's fitted all together. It works really well now. But if it did not, and we got to this point, we would have easy access to all these welds that we could grind off and go back to the drawing board, refit it, grind down a piece that's not fitting well, you know, you name it. This works really well. Super important, never fully weld something from the start. Always tack weld it together first, make sure it all fits. That is today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Please like and subscribe if you guys like this video. Also check out all of our other Tech Tip Tuesdays. And we really appreciate you guys watching all this, and hopefully this helps you get back in the garage and get on your project so you can build it right the first time. Thanks.